I see them all put it on the beat. Oh yeah, fi jojo. Oh fẹ́ kọ́lé mọ́lé. Èmi àti ìwọ.
My name is Habila. I'm a student of Industrial Technical Education at the Department of Vocational and Teacher Education, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I made this video for teaching and learning welding and fabrication, so as to be used as a teaching aid or for video instructional material in welding and fabrication. I'm about to show you the video now, which you can see. It can help you to teach, and it can also help you to learn on your own. And now I present the video to you. Now, before you start welding, it's very important that you must protect your eyes. These are the welding equipments that are going to be used, and his eyes are ready to be protected. And now this is the welding circuit. You can see the electrode holder, the workpiece, and the welding machine, how it is being connected. And next to it, you can see the electrode at its bond and the gases that it will release. Now, you must take measurement before you start anything. Anything you are going to manufacture, measurement is very important, and it's the first thing, and accurate measurement gives you accurate work. Measurement and marking out, they go together. After measuring, you mark out so that you work at the correct position. Now you can see the generator and alternator, which could be used anywhere. You can weld within a building or outside, and these are some of the tools that you have to use. You have a hacksaw there, and a tape rule, and you have a trash wire, which is very important for getting angles. This is another pistol hole, and all these are marking tools. This one for round objects. You measure and you mark accurately before you start your work, and it's now turning to put some marks on the pipe, which is going to cut so that you can cut at the correct position. Now he is turning it. You cannot see the movement of his hand, but he's using his hand to twist it, and twisting it at a different position. He has to hold and twist it so that the tool can mark. And this is the electrode that is going to be used. This is it comes in packets like this, and on the packet you can see the electrodes and the number of current that is going to be used on that electrode. So you have the table, and you can see the electrodes as they are inside the packet. Each number of electrode comes out, and this is American Welder Society E6013, which is the commonly used electrode, especially for learners. And here now in the workshop, is cutting the metal to pieces so that you can later weld them. This is an iron plate which he puts, and he's using a rotary cutting machine to cut them into pieces for the welding to start. And he must cut on the lines which he has marked so that you can get the correct size of the piece that you need for the welding. You can see him moving the tool forward and backward and cutting gradually. Here. To use another amperage. Okay. So now we set the amperage now to what?
Set it around there.
Yes, now we set it to. We increase it or reduce it?
Increase.
Increase it. And that will increase the current too. Okay. So we have increased it to about 90. that?
Let's say
78. Okay, it's less than 80. And now the next thing is to on the machine, have you? On the machine. Okay. We are now to put the workpiece. No, to fix the electrode. The workpiece. No, to fix the electrode. The electrode holder and the tongue. Just testing the electrode. It's alright. Now let's say two pieces. We want to join the two pieces. These two pieces now. Let's say to join it. Then must they touch each other? Okay. And put the clamp on it. Return circuit to complete the circuit. Join the two pieces together. Now we want to join it to the end. Let me turn this side so that tack it and then you set it to be properly joined after tacking. Alright. You tack the other end too. Then before you have the actual joining. Sure. Joint into horizontal position. Start and back. Then go to the wall. Stand from behind it. Okay, that's stacking. Tack it at the back. After tacking, check with the tri-square to make sure that exactly 90 degrees. It's properly set. Start the other end. Check it with a tri-square again.
get off the floor.
Okay. We start the middle. This tap some places. Just tapping it. Now weld it properly.
Should we weld inside or outside?
That's the weld inside. Let's make one run. But it's better to weld outside so that the inside will be neat. Yes. And, put it at an angle. Well, yeah.
Yeah, you see on.
Yes.
On this thing because
Okay. What I on in there?
this knob.
Yes. So that will give you the correct. This is an automatic shield, Abby. It adjusts by itself according to the light. I've read about it. Some of the shield you have to change the length. Using gauge 12 according to the thickness of the workpiece. You can see the work is going on smoothly. You still have, you didn't go all the way because the machine needs to rest. It doesn't just go on, just avoid overheating the machine. We work and also to put on another electrode. Check all the slack. And you continue welding from where you have stopped. Protected. Continue welding. That's welding in a flat position. Look at the hands, the welding table, the level should not be up to your elbow. When you concentrate, you watch at the poodle ahead. Look at the poodle and we weld, and then we stop and we lift up the helmet. You see the work properly. And that is flat welding which has been done. Flat welding is complete now. It's a corner joint on a flat welding position. Yes, this is done. Thank you. Yes, you remove the slack and use a chipping hammer to remove the slack. That has solidified. Let me have a strong weld. Thank you. Still this flat welding.
It still remains.
No problem. The next one will be horizontal. Which position is this now? Which position is this?
Still not horizontal.
Okay. Yeah, horizontal. Horizontal and flat, I understand their difference. That's vertical. I'm changing to gauge 10 now. They are still on the same side. We have been using gauge 10 there. Okay, it's 12 now. Stop it thinner than gauge 10. Okay, the electrode should be straight from the handle. Alright. The position of the electrode is straight. That's alright. Position. You have tack it now. Let's tack the video. I check the squareness of it.
How do you